these are the ones that I've got. There's the black one and this one. That's quite a nice colour. I got these ones. There's also them. I don't really like them. These are all the fluffy jammies. Christmas present, and they've also got, if I can find these ones. They've got this. I wanted to get it, but I can't find the trouser bottoms, the bottoms for it, but they've got them as well. It's been about a week, I think, since I've even started the vlog, but these are the things I've recently got. There is some things missing, but you would see them on my Instagram after a couple of weeks of me like wearing them, because I've already worn them, so they're in the wash. But I've got most of the things I have been purchasing lately, and this is one of them. So I got this Adidas top. It's just got a little Adidas sign, well, the logo, and it's just a plain black top with a white collar. This was on sale, so it was £20 down to £10. So I thought I'll get it because I don't have many just basic black tops, but I don't really like full-on just black tops. So yeah, I got this, but I'm going to start with this stuff first. So let's change into the first thing. So this is the first like clothing item. I don't know if you can see how blue they are. They're that colour, but with the black it kind of like makes them look black. But they are blue. They are just new dark blue smart jeans, because you all know I love my smart jean trousers. And yeah, on to the next one. There's a kind of a hint there. So this is the next thing. It's a jumper, a rainbow jumper, and it's very oversized. I got a size 12 to 14, so it's very oversized, and I needed to roll up the sleeves because it's that long, and the neck is like massive, so again I need to roll that down. But I really like it. I like the cut off part. It's not too long though, and it's got like this little like cut here, so I really like it. I just need to figure out what to do with the neck part. This was from George, Asda George, and the trousers were from New Look. They still have them in by the time that this is up, or in the one that I've got, they've still got them in. I'm pretty sure this will still be in Asda because I just recently got it like a week ago. So they should still have it in, but the Christmas stock is coming in, so I don't know if they'll get rid of it. But it is a jumper, but I love it. It's so warm. and cozy. But that is the end of the video. I know it was probably not that long, but I wanted to get something up there for you guys, and I am going to start uploading again. I know I've been off on my schedule, but it's just been a hectic couple of weeks. But I'm back at it, guys. There will be a new video of the How to Be Confident series on Friday. Let me know what you want to know, like how to be confident with, if you have a learning disability or just general, like, I think I've done how to be confident with psoriasis. I can't remember what one I've already done, but let me know. And if you did like this vlog video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I forgot to show these boots. I got them, as you all know, at the start of the video. I showed them, but these are them up close. The right foot is quite tight, but I just need to wear them in. But they are what they look like. And they've got the zips at the side. If you've not seen any of my videos, I go on about this for my cerebral palsy. I've got cerebral palsy, and I go on about this quite a lot. When I was younger, these style of boots really helped me, because you can just tie up your laces and pop them on and zip them up for weeks on end if you cannot tie your laces. Because I know for a fact, if my dad didn't show me the video that I saw when I was about 12 or like older than that probably, yes, I wasn't able to tie my shoe as a teenager. But when my dad showed me this video, I'll try and find something similar, and I'll link it down below. If you do not know how to tie your shoes, or if you can't tie them the typical way, I'll try and link a video down below. Or I'll link my shorts, because I've done a shorts on it to explain how to tie your laces. But I can tie my laces now, but if it wasn't for that video my dad showed me, I would still be asking my parents, my sister, and all my family members, can you tie my laces? So I'm so grateful I found that video. But also these shoes still help me, and when they look so cute like that, because even though I can still tie my shoes, it still takes me longer than an average person, because I'm still needing to use my left hand, and because I don't have as much control with my left hand as I do with my right, it can take me a couple of tries. But these shoes are amazing if you have cerebral palsy, and even if you need to ask for someone to tie your shoe for a couple of weeks, you can be independent, because you can just unzip it and put your feet in. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. I'll see you next time. Bye!